Welcome to third module of SEO. In this video tutorial, you will help to understand what is the search engine optimization and how it works, and the most important, the importance of SEO in search engine ranking website. Okay, this lecture will help you to learn the below topics like that: what is the search engine optimization, how search engine optimization works, and what are the different type of SEO, and what is the white hat, black hat and gray hat SEO, and which one is best. Okay, and practically video I will explain you what is the SEO and what is the types of SEO. You will understand what is the on page SEO and why this is important for any website to rank, and how on page SEO help any website to rank, and the very best how to do on page SEO. This lecture will help you to learn the below topics also, and on page SEO, off page SEO, and on page SEO importance, and ranking position, what is the difference between on page SEO and off page SEO, and what are the important factor of on page SEO. By the end of this guide or in this video, you will be confident enough about what is the on page and off page SEO. Okay, and the next video I will explain you how to write the SEO friendly article, and the next video is very important if you are really want to rank your website in the Google. By the end of this guide, you will be confident enough about the SEO fundamental, and how the off page and on page SEO to get more organic traffic on your website. Okay, so this video is just go through, and I'll just explain you step by step. This is my website, moviehdflex.com, and this is the my, just a minute, this is my article title, Hasin Dilruba full movie download. Okay, and this is the, I am using the image also, and you will see here is one video also, and here is one image also, and you will see the step by step I will explain each and every topic about the movie of Hasin Dilruba, and each and every paragraph not more than 4 lines. Okay, so this is the on page SEO. If you have internal linking, external linking, this all are included in on page SEO. Off page SEO means if your article you have to share in Pinterest, Facebook, and Instagram, or any other social media just like medium.com and any other platform, Quora, just like. So this is the off page SEO. Okay, so next video I will explain you how practically I will explain you how to write article SEO friendly. Thank you for watching.